In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Calendly settings. Let's start from your Calendly homepage. Go ahead and sign into your account and make sure you're on the main dashboard where you usually see your event types and upcoming meetings. This is your starting point for accessing all of your personal settings. Next, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile area. This is usually represented by your initials or a profile image. When you click there, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account. From that drop-down, choose the option labeled All Settings. This will take you to the central settings area where you can manage everything related to your profile, branding, links, communication, and security. You'll first land on your profile settings. Here, you can adjust your display name, add or edit your welcome message, choose your correct time zone, and set your preferred date format and language. You can also specify your country and upload or update your profile image. Take a moment to make sure these details are accurate, because they affect how your booking pages appear to your invitees and help avoid confusion around time zones and dates. Once your profile looks good, look for the section called Branding. Click on that to configure your logo and how Calendly branding appears on your booking pages. This is especially useful if you want a consistent, professional look for your clients or teammates. Next, go to the My Link section. Here, you can customize the URL for your main Calendly link. Choose something simple and recognizable, so it's easy to share in emails, messages, or on your website. After that, select Communication Settings. This is where you can turn notifications on or off. Review the types of messages you and your invitees receive, such as confirmations and reminders, and adjust them so you're notified enough to stay organized without being overwhelmed. Then click on Login Preferences. In this area, you can manage how you sign in, including which email address you use. Make sure this matches the account you check most often. Next, open the Security section. Here, you can require email verification for certain event types, so invitees must confirm their email before completing a booking. You can also manage block sources to reduce spam or unwanted bookings. Now, go to Cookie Settings. This is where you configure cookie consent preferences, which control how Calendly uses cookies for analytics and functionality on your booking pages. Finally, wrap up by clicking on the remaining highlighted options in the settings area to review any additional toggles or sections. This ensures you've walked through all visible settings and confirmed they match how you want Calendly to behave. And that's how you configure your Calendly settings from start to finish.